Join me and learn to make simple, creamy, no-bake cherry cheesecake. Hi, Liz here. Now, with this no-bake cheesecake, we're not baking, just mixing. We're mixologists today, not bakers. Y'all, last Thanksgiving, I whipped this no-bake cheesecake up in no time, and it was dessert heaven. So, grab that apron or old t-shirt and let's mix some up. Let's start by grabbing a medium to large mixing bowl and adding 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese. Softened cream cheese blends in so much smoother, y'all. Now add 1 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon lemon extract. That's optional. The lemon extract gives our cheesecake a nice tang, but you can't taste the lemon. Let's mix these together until smooth and creamy. Now, let's add an 8-ounce tub of whipped topping. Fold that in with a spatula until it's fully incorporated. Now, it's onto the crust. To a 9-inch graham cracker crust, let's add our cheesecake batter and spread that evenly. PSA time, y'all. Since this is a quickie, no-bake cheesecake, I used a store-bought graham cracker crust. However, feel free to make your own. Also, this no-bake cheesecake would be delicious with a flavored crust, such as chocolate, Oreo, or vanilla wafer. Now, back to the video. Now, it's off to the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Y'all, just look at this masterpiece. Who needs an oven, right? Lastly, let's top our cheesecake with a 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling. Bravo, just look at our dreamy dessert. Y'all, creamy, dreamy, A-game delicious. This is spot on for your summer parties and holiday gatherings. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll mix up this no-bake cheesecake really soon. Please hit those like and subscribe buttons, and happy mixing.